used to come here and prune the apple trees seasonally. Oz was looking for someone to take over, and we were the right people at the right time.
This is Mendocino magic. My parents purchased the property 16 years ago. It had previously been a lumber mill and then a commercial fishing property. It was really important for me to make this property into what it is now.
It was a lifelong dream of ours to have a ranch. We believe in the land. We want to make it a better place. Anything that we can do to help offset those costs is definitely a plus for us because we want to be here forever. Hipcamp people have always been really supportive to our ideals. Hipcamp enables land like this to be open for people to see the forest in its pristine condition. By doing that, it keeps this land open. We've been booked almost every weekend. We've had a lot of families, and it's nice seeing them relaxing and enjoying nature that way.
Something that's been amazing is how many people it's bringing to the land and what that has done for Oz itself. Partnering with Hipcamp helps fund our passion project, which is growing organic food.
My favorite thing about having hip campers here is that they seem to be the most interested in learning about ecological horticulture practices in organic farming and off-grid living. That's all stuff that's really important to us, and we love talking about it.
We have a lot of people coming that want to break from the city and want to reconnect with nature and themselves.
There's all this private land, and it's a really great way to get people outdoors. Hipcamp attracts the right type of people.
People that are ready to be in touch with nature and leave no trace and are looking for more of a rustic getaway versus a hotel stay.
The more you know, the more you care. And it's important to get people experiencing nature so they know how to conserve it.
Without Hipcamp and the ability to bring people in, nobody would be able to share it. And we really want to share these things with people because it's so important.
Cheers.
Cheers.